My name is Victor Hugo and my friend is Jorge Ulises. My name is Paloma and my friend is Carlo.
Hello, my name is Rosita and my pen pals are Ivan and Pablo.
My pen pal is Paloma and my name is Juan Pablo.
Hello, my name is Luis Antonio and my pen pal is Daniel.
Hi, my name is Sofia and my pen pal is Fernando Lloret.
My name is Engelberto Castañeda and my two friends are Gemma Isabel and Ricardo Alberto.
Hi, my name is Lorenza and my friend is Fernando. Hi, my name is Tatiana and my friends are Ronaldo and Misael.
Hello, my name is Willy and my pen pal is Isaac and Pamela.
Hello, my name is Diego and my pen pal is Diego.
Hello, my name is Grecia and my friend is Maria Cepeda.
My name is Vanessa and my friend is Edgar.